hear that little sound. I had a little guest last night. Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's Dr. Jack of all trades, and this is VLOGMAS 2020. While you're here, subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. It's a breezy, chilly fall morning, but it's beautiful. And it's a good time to be thankful. Thankful for whatever it is you have. Gratitude is an amazing tool to use to lift your spirits. Let's commit to being gracious and having gratitude today. I hope you all have a beautiful day wherever you are and whatever you're doing. It's beautiful because you're there to witness it. Good morning, guys. How are you all this morning? It is early, it's bright, it's beautiful, and it's Vlogmas Day 8. Oh, goodness. I'm doing pretty good today. I hope you guys are doing pretty good. I just finished making up my bed, washed my face, brushed my teeth. I think I'm going to go in here and get me a cup of coffee. My grandson stayed the night with us. He and my daughter just, came by. They come by sometime and spend the night with us. They live in the same town as us. And it's always good when they can come by. So that was nice. And they're in there. You may or may not hear him playing on the iPad or whatever. He gets up super early. Woo. But anyway, today, what am I doing today? First, I'm going to move away from this window because the lighting is not good right there. So maybe I'll get here. Well, let's see. How's this? Better? I know what. Girl, just turn on the light. No, this is actually pretty good with the lighting in my face. So yeah, so what I got to do today is I am going to get some work done. Of course, that's my life. I work. I'm going to, I really need to clean my floors. I want to do a good deep cleaning on my floors, steam cleaning. Actually, there's this company here that I want to have them come in and do my cleaning. So I may contact them because they do such a great job, such a thorough job. And while they're doing that, I could be working on some content. But anyway, I'm going to see what I'm going to do about my floors. If I have time, I'm going to try to tackle some decor projects. And yeah, I think that's it. But first, honey, I got to get me a cup of coffee so I can get my life together, get my mind flowing, get the juices flowing, get myself together. 1 cup is all I need. I'll be okay. And then I will get to work. So happy Vlogmas Day 8. We are inching closer to Christmas. Ooh, are you excited? I know it's going to be different. This Christmas is going to be different for us. But, we're going to make it work. So I will, my grandson's crying. He must want something. Okay, so I will jump back on chat with y'all a little later. Y'all have a good one. Bye. And he is busy this morning. He's the one sock bandit. He's on one sock. Dylan has on a diaper. Yeah, he's an old dog who has a little bit of incontinence. And he says, don't tell all my business. But yeah, we have to tell the business. So yeah, today I'm going to be cleaning and doing some stuff like that. May do a recipe today, don't know. I don't know. But anyway, it is Vlogmas Day 8, and I hope you guys are starting off this new Vlogmas week with gusto and put out of the archives. This old camera that I think I'm going to see if I can use. It was a camera that we used for work a lot. I'm just going to see what I can do with it. See if I can use it to vlog. And also, these are some after Christmas sales from last Christmas. And they're little gift bags that I got from Walmart. They are so cute. I was thinking about using them to put my grandkids' Christmas gifts in. They're just big sacks that you know, you don't have to worry about wrapping. But you know, I like for all of my presents to match the tree. I really love wrapping. I enjoy wrapping. Mr. Man's over there really singing. He's happy his tunes are on. And so he's having a blast. But anyway, back to the bags. I was thinking about actually using them for something else though, instead of using them to put my grandkids' gifts in. I was thinking about using them to maybe do a little outdoor grouping outside next to where I have my big pots with the bowls on them. I was thinking about doing something like that. I'll let you know if I decide to do that, and I'll show you what I do. But anyway, I think I'm gonna get started on my day, and I'll hop back in a little later. Hey guys, I am sitting here in my tiny office slash grandkids playroom, getting some work done. Thankfully, this is a temporary setup. We are doing some remodeling to the house. So while that, we're getting ready to start that. It hasn't actually started. But while it's going on, this is going to be my office. I have such dark circles under my eyes. I need to do an eye treatment. That's what late nights will do for you. But anyway, good morning. I hope you guys are doing well. I am doing wonderful. It's Vlogmas Day something. And I am having a good day working. Honey, it's good to be working. It's good to be alive. And you know what? I want us all to just kind of keep, remember those who are going through right now. It's a tough time for a lot of people. And so we just need to remember them and to be thankful for what we have. Yeah, so I am working, trying to get some stuff done. I'm going to start editing some videos in a little bit to provide some more content for you guys. Yeah, so I may check back in with you a little bit later and show you what I'm working on. Maybe, maybe not, but you got to stick around to see. While you are here, please make sure that you comment, like, subscribe, share to all your friends, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Do that for me, please. I would be ever most grateful to you all for that. You guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and or a wonderful rest of the night, or wonderful whatever you're doing. And I will check back in a little bit. See ya. Hey y'all, I'm trying to get this camera together so I can show you guys. Hush deal, Bill. I'm gonna make me a little bit of lunch. I took a break from my work. Look over there, the green light. I took a break from my work, and I'm gonna make me some lunch. So I'm gonna show you my version of I guess a meatless fajita bowl, or vegan, well, not vegan because I'm going to use sour cream, but it's a meatless fajita bowl, like what you would get at like Cadobo or somewhere like that. So let's get started. Oh, I'm going to use red bell pepper, green bell pepper, red onion, and mushrooms as my my fajitas. So let's get started. The seasonings that I'm going to use are ground cumin. I'm going to use ground cumin, chili powder, a little smoked paprika, a little garlic powder. Lighting is off, Sorry about that, guys. A little garlic powder. Red pepper flakes. Crushed red pepper. And then for salt, or just a little bit of extra oomph, I'm going to use my Kingsford original all-purpose seasoning and a little Zatarain's blackened seasoning. I don't have any Tony's, and because I normally use Tony's, but I have a little bit of black Zatarain's here, so I'll use that. Okay, now let's get started. So 2 other ingredients that I'm going to use. I have some seasoned black beans. You can get any brand that you like. This is the Great Value brand. They're fine. Seasoned black beans. And I'm going to use the little Uncle Ben's ready rice. I don't usually use, I'm just kind of breaking it up. I don't usually use these instant rices, but you know, because today I need to get back to work quickly. As y'all can see, I have cut those nails down. I cannot type with that, and these are probably gonna come off before it's all over with. But anyway, I got this Spanish rice that I'm gonna serve the fajitas over top of. So let's get started. So after washing my vegetables, I'm going to core those bell peppers and just slice them into strips. Chop them into strips, rather. And then I am going to slice up my onion, peel it and slice it, and do just a rough chop on the onion. I like chunks of onion in my food. And I found me some vegan field roast sausage in my refrigerator, so I'm going to use that too. I'm just heating up some oil in my pan, and I'm fussing at my dog Dylan because he should not be in the kitchen with me. I'm going to sear the sausage and just brown it a little bit. Then remove that from the pan, add a little bit more olive oil, and then put my vegetables in there. And with the vegetables, I'm going to season them with my all-purpose seasoning and my Zatarain's. I'm gonna let that cook a little bit. And I'm fussing at Dylan. I found me some minced garlic, so I'm going to use that instead of garlic powder. And yeah, Dylan is getting on my last nerve. I fussed at him so much, but I'm going to cook the beans or heat up the beans while I'm letting my vegetables cook. So I add the garlic, the mushrooms, and the sausage, and then all of my powders, my cumin, my paprika, my chili powder, and my red pepper flakes. And then I'm gonna let that cook for about 2 or 3 more minutes. Add a little bit more olive oil so nothing sticks. And when it's just about ready, I am going to turn the fire off and just cover that and let it kind of steam the rest of the way. So I heated the rice in the microwave for 90 seconds, put it in a bowl with the beans and the fajita mixture. Add me 2 dollops of sour cream, and I'm gonna add a sprinkle of tahini and lime, and voila. So here is my yummy lunch. It smells amazing. I love cumin and red pepper and chili and all of those wonderful spices. And it's meatless, and I'm going to just squirt some of my lime juice over top because that is so delicious. And give it a taste. It looks so yummy. Can y'all see me? Okay. That's pretty good. That's delicious. And of course, I'm having my water. The lighting is bad, guys. I'm sorry. But I'm having my water, and I just have some frozen strawberries and the rest of that lime that I cut up in here. And that's gonna be my lunch. What are y'all eating today? Are y'all still with me on this challenge? I hope so. Hey y'all, out taking Dylan for a walk. That's one of the things of having a fur baby. They don't have opposable thumbs, so they can't open the door to go out. You gotta take them out. Unless you have a dog that we'll only go so far and we'll come back. Or if you have an electric fence or something like that, which is something we probably need to invest in, because Dylan, I think he grown and try to run all over the place. He is grown, actually. It will be in just a couple days. Dylan is actually 12 years old. 12 years old. He's an old man. Yep, so it's in the evening. Sun's pretty much gone down. But since I gotta take him out for a walk, I might as well get a walk in too. One thing that I do want to talk about, it's almost Christmas, and Freeform has the 25 Days of Christmas on, and so I'm gonna be watching that every day, all day. What about y'all? Y'all love Christmas Christmas movies. I am one that will watch a Christmas movie any day of the week. Summer, winter, spring, fall, it doesn't matter. I love Christmas movies. So, yeah. I think I'm going to take these locks out. I've had enough. I've actually got a opportunity to... It's a tiny opportunity, but hey, I'm going to take it. Any opportunity is a good opportunity. It's an opportunity for me to review a wig. So I'm probably going to do that after I take these locks down, because they've been up for a minute. I need to wash and deep condition my hair. I'm thinking about getting some colors. You see Dill Pickles? He likes to sniff and all of that good stuff, so I just let him do his business. But yeah, I'm thinking about putting that wig on, and I'll do that review and post it on my channel so you guys can see it. And tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about it. I need to actually look at the wig first and see if I need to do any customizing to it, which I probably do. I'm sure I do. Like cut the lace for sure, and I might even need to bleach the knots. I'm not sure, but we'll see. We'll see what I need to do. I haven't even taken it out the box, so you guys get to see the unboxing and everything. So we'll do that pretty soon. And what I'm also going to do is put a big red X on that green light, so I'll know to look at that light, so I won't be looking in the wrong direction. All right, you guys. I hope you had a great day. For you guys, have a wonderful evening, a wonderful rest of the day, or wonderful whatever you're doing. And I will see you tomorrow. But before you go, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. You guys take care. Thank you for joining, and I will see you